Last week, I made a video about my frustrations with affiliate marketing, how I tried for almost 12 months and could not really make it work. I also spoke about my frustrations and finding a way of actually trying to make affiliate marketing work for me. And I also set my target of trying to achieve 100K in 12 months. Now, since then, I was on, the other day I was on Facebook scrolling around and I came across an ad from Clickfunnels, which talked about the one funnel away challenge. And I was like, what the hell is this? So went to the website, listened to the video on the landing page, and to be honest, it was quite amazing. So what I did was I signed up for this one funnel away challenge, because from what I read, there's quite a lot of information there teaching you how to market, how to create your funnels, how to promote, which are pretty much the things that I needed. And on top of that, there's also a community, a private community, whereby if you join, you are amongst like-minded people. So anyway, signed up for the one funnel away challenge, filled in the forms. This costs about $97, about £100, I think. So I went ahead and today I received it. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go through, just show you what's in this box, and also go through the website, show you what's behind the scenes, what you get, what I've learned so far. But these are early days. I think I'm on my 5th day, so there's still about 25 more days to go. So what I will do as well is I will do a review of the whole thing and let you know if this has benefited me. But so far, so good. But anyway, before we get to that, let's go through, let's do the unboxing, and let's see what's in this box. Okay, so I guess this is where we open it. It actually has the Mission Impossible theme, which I think is quite cool. Right. Okay, this is quite interesting. So we have these items here. I think this is just to keep things in place. In fact, before I do that, there's... okay. So this is just talks about how would you like to earn $100 every time someone joins the One Funnel Away challenge with you. Okay, so I guess this is a way to promote the One Funnel Away. By the way, of course, if you signed up for this and you want anyone else to sign up for this, you could actually earn some money with this as well, which is really cool. So let's go in here. There's a book or something that is well packaged here. This really looks nice. Not sure what's in here. So let's open it. Quite curious. It's like opening a present. Right. Okay. This is a book, actually. You know what? I almost jumped in excitement. I thought maybe Russell Brunson sent me a real $100 note. But anyway, this is... what is this? Want to earn a real one of these? Okay. Anyway, put that to the side. Right. So this book, it says, suddenly you lose everything, 30days.com. What would you do from day 1 to day 30 to save yourself? So this book here, I think I saw something in the actual membership where it talks about the entrepreneurs that have managed to make about $1 million. They talk about, their strategy on how they would build up their business from scratch in 30 days. So I guess this is the written form, and this is a well-made book. It's really, really good. It's not one of those cheap books. So in here, this is where each and every one of those entrepreneurs talks about how they would really get from scratch from day 1 to day 30 and start making money again. So this is really valuable because this gives you real life examples of how you could actually learn how to make that money from someone who's actually made it. Because if you really think about it, if you wanted to lose weight and you go to the gym, ideally you want your trainer to be someone who's actually looking fit, because it just works better that way. So I guess this is my analogy, and this is how I would look at this. So if these people have made money online, these entrepreneurs have made money online, and I would be more inclined to listen to what they need to say. So this is really cool. So this is the book. It has all the stories, all 30 of them. So fantastic. Right, so what else is here? Okay, so we have this box here. Okay, so this looks like an MP3 player. Yes, it says MP3 digital player. By the way, I like the packaging. This packaging is really nice. It's really professional. Right, so this is an MP3 player. It has a headphone jack, so I guess you can just switch this on. And as you can see here, it's on. It's loading up. It says, welcome, play music. So I guess this is some training on here, which you can take, with you when you're, commuting or in the gym, or in my case, sometimes I like working out and listen to something. So definitely I'll be listening to this because I prefer actually listening than actually reading. So this is going to be very, very beneficial to me. And this is also USB. I'm not sure if this is for charging or if this is to transfer data onto your computer. But anyway, I'll try it out. But anyway, this is really good. Okay, so there's more things in here. There's also this book. This is 2 Comma Club coaching. I'm not sure if I'll be getting the 2 Comma Club coaching for free, but I'm pretty sure this is paid, obviously. And this is just some information of entrepreneurs that have made $1 million. Okay, so this is quite interesting. So I'm going to be reading this later. Okay, so moving on. There's also another book. Oh, and this one here is the One Funnel Away workbook. So this is where you'd be making your notes every time you watch the session in the day and you have some notes to make. You would come in here and add your notes in there. So as you can see, we have some spaces where you can write whatever it is or some notes that you need to take on. So I think this is really cool. So it has all the missions. So here, this is mission 4, 10x secrets. This is where I'm at. Oh, this is where I am actually. So I'm going to be filling in these. So this is actually quite good because as you go back and take a look at your notes, this could be a very good reminder. Okay, so moving on, looks like there's a few more things in here, or is there? No, actually that's it. Okay, so to be honest, I thought this was well packaged. This was really good. And I'm really excited about this. And I like the professionalism here. I mean, I think this is worth more than $100, to be honest. Just the book and the information you're going to get from this is really worth it. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like behind the scenes when you sign up for the One Funnel Away challenge. So over here, this is the actual website. So if you want to take a look at this, you can go ahead and read. And the One Funnel Away challenge, by the way, after every 30 days, it resets, everything goes, and the next challenge starts. So it's not going to be a challenge where it's going to be up there for you to just go back whenever you want. So the idea here is to be accountable and work as a group each and every day where you get different types of training. So I think that's actually really good because sometimes I procrastinate and it's very frustrating. So this is really pushing me. And so far I've learned quite a lot so far. Okay, so this is the actual website. So you can go ahead and read. There's a lot of information here which you can read. And there's a lot of value from this, as I mentioned. Now, I'm already a member, so I'm gonna come over here and click on Members Login. So this is gonna take me to my membership. So over here, this is the welcome, and this is the main welcome video. I won't play that. And then over here, I'm in the April month, so April 29th. And then this is your secret mission area. So over here, you also have access to this messenger bot and also the secret area. So let's click on that. So now this takes us to the Facebook group. So here you have to go in and request to join the group. And then once you request, you are then accepted. So as you can see here, it shows as joined, which is really cool. Now this membership is actually quite exciting because most of the people here, they are like-minded, they help you out, they're very supportive. I've been reading a lot of the comments here and they're very, very positive. So being a part of that also helps mentally. So I'm really excited to be part of this group. So back over here to my website. So the mission training here, as you can see, this is mission 7, mission review. So these are released every day. So this is day 1, and this is about belief. And you also have Stephen's coaching call. And then you go to the next one. This is failure, talks about failure, how to get yourself back up. their experiences. And again, this is really cool. So all this information here is all in the mission training. So this is going to go all the way up to 30 days, day 30. So every day you have a mission, you have something you need to work on. So by the end of this, I would have learned how to create funnels, offers, that good stuff. So I'm really excited, to be honest. So over here now, let's take a look at the traffic secrets. Oh, in fact, no, the bonus 30days.com. Right. So this bonus here works hand in hand with this book. So here we have the videos. In fact, let me go to one of these entrepreneurs. So Pen June, for example. So this is where he talks about how he would make his money in 30 days. So that's his strategy right there. So part 1, 30-day plan, how he would get back to getting those millions if he wanted to start from scratch. And then over here, this is the funnel. So he also shares the funnel. And to be honest, this information here is valuable. So you get to see the funnel and he tells you how he will make that money. So this is fantastic. So there's also Spencer Meacham. I've also watched some of his videos here. They're really cool. So again, he also has the 30-day plan. And then there's also the part 2. So where he talks about affiliate marketing, which is what I'm really, really interested in. So I will be definitely listening to this and also reading, the process from this book. So this book is pretty much a companion of these videos, 30days.com. All right. So what else do we have here? So all these different stories you can go to, listen to, and these are very beneficial. Okay. So far, I've listened to the calls, I've listened to the videos. It's very, very interesting, and I've already learned quite a lot. And also being part of a group or part of like-minded people is also beneficial. It really pushes me in those days that I'm feeling down. Now, here's the thing. If you also want to take this challenge, I have a link in the show notes below, and it is an affiliate link. So if you want to take this challenge using my affiliate link, that'll be fantastic. Now, what I'm also doing is if you use this affiliate link to go on your own challenge, what I will do is I will give you access to my Clickfunnels course. I'm putting together a course which basically shows you how Clickfunnels works, and I'll also be adding my own funnels that work into that bonus. So I'd really appreciate it if you'd use my link. And once you've done that, just send me an email to say, Mac, I've purchased your link, the challenge using your affiliate link, and then I'll give you access to my course as soon as it's complete. I'm pretty much working on it right now. So as soon as it's complete, I will give you access to that course. It will be a paid course, but in your case, it'll be a bonus because you'd have used my affiliate link. So like I said, this course is basically going to cover how to get started with ClickFunnels, your way around it, how to create your funnels, and also how to actually build beautiful funnels, because branding is also going to be very important in all of this. So that's what I'll be covering in this, and I may also give you some discounts in future bonuses. All right, guys, so I thought I would show you or give you an update on what I'm working on so far. So this is where I am. I'll also be doing a follow-up and tell you and show you what I've achieved after the 30 days. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.